I would like to share with you one simple exercise that will help relax the muscles of your larynx. When the larynx is tight, the voice lacks richness and it may sound a bit shaky and constricted. Larynx tightness acts like a tap in a wine barrel, preventing the voice from descending into the chest. Generally, such a voice sounds like it doesn't have any range. It's stiff and monotonous, and the voice feels like it remains only in the throat area. How can you reduce larynx tightness? Let me show you one simple exercise. It's called a tube exercise. Try to roll your tongue into a tube shape towards the soft palate. I'll show this exercise with my mouth open for you to better see the mechanics of the movement. Pay attention to the way my larynx is moving. Put the tip of your tongue behind your upper teeth and try to roll it up to the soft palate at the back of your mouth. If you open your mouth wide, you can easily see the soft palate in the mirror. So when I roll my tongue back, my larynx goes down. Take another look. You see? Keep this position for a minute. Rest for 30 seconds and do it 2 or 3 more times. Then try to make an sound in your chest, directing it downwards into yourself. How can you check if you are doing everything right? Place your hand on your chest. If the sound descends into your chest, you will feel vibration in your bones. If the bones don't vibrate, then the tightness is still here and the voice fails to transition to the chest register. Practice more. Keep practicing and make sure the tongue slowly rolls into a tube shape with the larynx simultaneously going down. Eventually, the breastbones will vibrate under the palm of your hand. Let's try it one more time. I'll show you again. If you're not sure if you are doing it properly, imagine having hot food in your mouth or being about to yawn. You should feel the sides of your neck distending. Practice this exercise and you will notice how quickly your larynx tightness disappears. Over time, the voice will easily transition to the chest register and you will be able to enjoy your rich chest voice. Remember that the chest voice is the voice of competence and confidence. Enjoying practicing. Let me remind you that for a beginner, one training session should last no longer than 15 minutes. Be careful. Enjoy your trainings.